Your prize for today is more Syrian expressions. Apparently, you guys have been loving the expression videos, so here I am being a sellout and doing more. Welcome back to Speak Real Arabic, everyone. Once again, I'm your host, Ozzy. I'm from Damascus, Syria. We have a lot more Syrian expressions in store for you, following the success of our other Syrian expression videos. I gotta agree with you, those are very weird and funny. So if you haven't yet checked those out, go ahead and see them. We'll leave a link in the description and at the end of the video as well. Seriously though, they're awesome. You don't want to miss those. Before I jump into today's expressions though, you know what you gotta do. Go ahead and click that nice shiny red subscribe button. Come on, you know you wanna. And while you're clicking things, why don't you just hit that bell icon as well so you can be the first to know when we drop new videos. Alright then, let's hit those expressions. The first one we have for you today is super weird, and it's this. صار لي ساعة عم قل لك دقيقة. I'm gonna repeat that. صار لي ساعة عم قل لك دقيقة. I love this one so much because it makes absolutely no sense whatsoever. Literally, it translates to, I've been telling you to wait a minute for an hour. I'm just gonna let you live with that for a second there. You see, we usually use this when someone is being impatient or asking you for something over and over again. It just means like be patient, but it's put in like a weird sci-fi time warp way. You know, we used time travel way before it was cool, so just saying. So anyways, the next one is also a classic, which is actually also kind of used in English a little bit. It is دكانتك مفتوحة, which literally translates to your store is open. I think that you can just kind of guess what that one means, right? It is very similar to your fly is open or close the barn door. We use this to let someone know that they have situation down there that they need to, you know, their zipper is down. You know, they're inadvertently flashing people. I'm not sure though why we chose store. Maybe because it contains your product. I don't know. I'm really not sure. I'm not an etymologist. Anyways, one that I personally use often is أرقصلك, which actually literally means, do you want me to dance for you? But no, not in that context. Get your head out of the gutter. The way we use this is like, you know how sometimes someone would spend like 2 hours complaining to you about something in their life that is so trivial or boring? Or like, I don't know, complaining about how their new phone is not as fast as they had hoped it would be. And you just want to smack them? Well, you know, violence is never the answer. Instead we say, أرقصلك, which means like, what can I do? Do you want me to dance for you? The most important part about this is the shoulder shimmy. You see, if you don't do the shoulder shimmy, there's no point really. So you gotta say it like this, أرقصلك, with the shoulder shimmy. This is the Syrian shimmy, and without it, the word has no meaning. Alrighty then. The last expression I'll be hitting today is ورجيني عرض كتافك. I'm gonna say that again. ورجيني عرض كتافك. This is such an awesome one. Literally, it means show me the width of your shoulders. And no, this isn't something you usually hear at the tailors, you know? No. You see, we use this expression to slightly impolitely ask someone to leave. Sometimes people overstay their welcome and you kind of want to kick them out. So we say, ورجيني عرض كتافك. That means, why don't you turn around and walk away so I can see how wide your shoulders are as you're leaving. Very passive aggressive, I know, but that's us, you know, we can be passive aggressive because it works so well for us. So, I guess those are all the expressions that I want to talk to you about in this video. Thank you guys so much for watching and I hope you enjoyed it. Show me some support with that thumbs up button. Clicking things is fun. So, go ahead and do it. Do it. As usual, if you want me to talk about anything about Syrian culture or anything about Syria in general, just let me know in the comments and I'll gladly talk about it. Thank you again so much for watching, and hopefully I'll be seeing you soon with another awesome Speak Real Arabic video. Take care.